Okay, this is my unboxing of my new robot vacuum here. I've been very anxious to get this. So this is the first time that I'm seeing everything and how it's packaged. Instruction manual looks pretty nice there. Well, here's the robot vacuum as it comes. It actually has a very substantial weight to it, as well as a fairly thin profile. I'll get a video of that fired up here once I get everything taken out. Next, we got the charging base, cord, remote, batteries, and some parts to assemble the vacuum. So I'm going to go ahead and get this set up, and I'll show it in action. Okay, I just started this up, and the first thing that kind of amazes me is just how quiet it is. I mean, it's a vacuum, it's going to have some sound, but really the background noise really isn't too bad. I set it on the auto mode, and it immediately, I guess, it's just starting to map my room here and kind of doing its thing. So I'm gonna let this run a little bit, then I'll check in. But I do want to say the setup on the app is really simple. I really just downloaded the app, put the Wi-Fi password in, and really that was about it. It was nice that the vacuum came with a little bit of a charge, so I was literally able to go right out of the box. So I'm gonna let it do its thing a little bit, and I'll check in. And I am just now entering the room, so you're seeing it the same time I am. And oh yeah, look at that. Pretty much every nook and cranny has gotten vacuumed up, and really kind of gotten the corners there really nice. And so return back to the unit, and it's charging itself. All in all, I'm really impressed with this unit. It was effortless to set up, and immediately started kind of going to town.